It is the 29th of July 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about an AI system dispute. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, la FIFA veut des fonds privés pour la Coupe du Monde. FIFA wants private funds for the World Cup. Next, des jetons IA peuvent servir de mesure. AI tokens can serve as a measure. And FIFA veut vendre une part de ses droits du mondial. FIFA wants to sell a share of its World Cup rights. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. Le gouvernement is the government. Trump is the name Trump. Accuser means accuses. Moonshot A is the company name. D'avoir copié means of having copied. Un système means a system. Today we notice the structure. D'avoir plus a past participle, which shows an action already done. Le gouvernement accuse Moonshot A. The government accused Moonshot A. Accuser. The verb driving today's headline comes from accuser. To accuse, and it is the same verb you saw in the headline. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Moonshot AI a une nouvelle version Chimica 3. Moonshot AI has a new Chimica 3 version. Version. Version is the fresh word to notice here, and it names the new release in the story. More examples in the lesson sheet. Moonshot AI lance un nouveau système. Moonshot AI launches a new system. Système. System is the fresh word to notice here. Say it with me. Système. Moonshot AI n'a pas répondu, mais des médias chinois ont nié. Moonshot AI did not respond, but Chinese media denied it. Nier. Denied is the key word in this sentence, and it shows the answer they gave. Des experts disent que la question n'est pas jugée. Experts say that the question is not decided. Today's word is question. Say it with me. Question. The ending. Tion. Makes the same sound in many common French words. Now for the pattern of the day. Accuser. To accuse. J'accuse. Tu accuses. Il accuse. Nous accusons. Vous accusez. Ils accusent. The headline uses the il form accuser. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What did the government do? Is it A. Accuse Moonshot AI, praise Moonshot AI, or C. Buy Moonshot AI? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.